it's me again, Teacher Alvin of Hunun Algae channel. Before, we discussed basic Korean vowels, and then this time we're gonna have vowels with Y sounds. So are you ready? Okay, let's start.
The ya sound. Ya as in yard. And ya as in yarn. The yaw sound. Yaw as in yonder. The yo sound. Yo as in just yo. The last but not the least, the U sound. U as in you, Y-O-U. Thank you for watching. This is Hunun Algae channel. If you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.